Your insurance company sent you a denial letter, and now you're trying to figure out what to do. Let me tell you a story about a client we had that same situation and what we did about it. We had a client that a few weeks after they bought their house had their septic system back up into the first floor of their house. Ruined it, made it so they couldn't live there. You can imagine what it's like. The insurance company then investigated the claim, denied it, and said, you have an exclusion in your policy for backups through sewers and drains. Homeowner said, this came through my drains. I think I'm out of luck here. But called us anyway, just to see if there was anything we could do. And the way it works in Florida, when they called us, is we got to walk through the law with them. And the law is that sewers and drains, that term under the law means what starts outside of your property line. And here their septic tank was inside the property. And so we felt like that was a bad denial. It was not justified under the law, even though it looked good on paper when the insurance company sent that letter. So we fought the insurance company. We filed a lawsuit against them. We took it all the way to a court, and a judge ruled in our favor. And as a result, the client's claim was paid in full. Our fees were paid in full, and they were able to get back in their house. And that denied claim got turned into a repaired house. So if you're dealing with a denied claim, I want you to pause for a second and think maybe it's not the end of the road just because the insurance company says it was, no matter how convincing it is on paper. Maybe they've got an engineer that says something happened a certain way. We hire engineers to get independent views on that. Whatever it is, whether you disagree or think you might even agree, it's worth looking into. And that's what we do. The first step of anyone who calls us is we look at their denial and we talk about whether this is a right or wrong denial. If it's right, if the insurance company didn't make any mistakes, that's fine. You deserve to know that from an independent source. If we can help you, if it's a wrong denial, then that's something you should fight. And you should know that you've got the option to do that. And again, with that, we work on what's called a contingency fee. So we're not going to charge you win or lose. We don't charge you anything unless we recover money from the insurance company and we get paid out what we recover. I'm Jason Herman. I'm one of the founders of Herman Wells, and I've been doing insurance dispute law for about 20 years. And so I've built our insurance practice at our firm to be specialized on knowing when a claim should have been paid and when it shouldn't be paid. If you've got a denied claim, it is worth calling us. It's only going to cost you your time, and one of two things is going to happen. Either you're going to get reaffirmation of the bad news that you got from the insurance company from us in plain English, where you can ask us questions, which you usually can't to an adjuster. It won't help your property get fixed, but it might help you feel like you didn't get taken advantage of by the insurance company. Or the other thing happens, we give you good news. We can fight for you. There's an angle here that the insurance company missed. There's some fact that they got wrong. And if that's the case, we'll take on your case, we'll fight the insurance company so we can get your property fixed if it's covered.